Hi guys, in this video, we're going to talk about solving simple interest. So when we say simple interest, it is the interest charged on the principal alone for the entire duration or period time of the loan or investment at a particular rate. After the term of the loan or investment, the maturity value or future value is computed by getting the sum of the principal and the interest due.
So these are the definition of terms. P for principal or present value, amount of money borrowed or invested on the origin date. T for time or term, amount of time in years the money is borrowed or invested, length of time between the origin and maturity dates. R for rate of interest or simply rate, annual rate, usually in percent, charged by the lender, or rate of increase of the investment. I for interest, amount paid or earned for the use of money. F for maturity value or future value, amount after T years that the lender receives from the borrower on the maturity date.
So let's have our first problem. A bank offers 0.25 annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much interest will be earned if 2 million pesos is deposited in the savings account for 4 years? So, first, let's identify our given. Our rate is 0.25% and convert to decimal becomes 0.0025. Principal is 2 million. Time is 4 years. So we're looking for the simple interest. The formula for simple interest is ICE equals PRT. Now we substitute their values. ICE equals 2 million times 0.0025 times 4. We multiply them all and the answer is 20,000 pesos. Therefore, the simple interest is 20,000 pesos.
What amount of money invested at 5% annual simple interest for 3 months earns 20,035 of interest? The problem asks for the principal value. So the given is rate of 5% is equals to 0.05. Time is 3 months divided by 12 months is equals to 0.25. Then the simple interest is 20,035. Now, since the missing is principal, we will use the formula of P equals simple interest over rate times time. P equals 20,035 over 0.05 times 0.25 equals 20,035 divided by 0.0125 equals 1,602,800. Therefore, 1,602,800 must be invested. Thank you.
So here's another example of a problem. How long did it take for a loan of 10,000 pesos to accumulate 4,000 pesos of interest with a simple interest rate of 5%? So first, determine the given. We have 10,000 that is for our principal or P. We have 5% that is our rate that is equal to earned decimal that is 0.05. And we have the simple interest of 4,000. Now we are looking for the time. So we have a formula of time is equal to simple interest over P and R. So substitute the given, the simple interest is 4,000 over the principal of 10,000 multiplied by 0.05 which is the R. Next is we need to multiply the principal and the rate. So 10,000 times 0.05 and the answer is 500. Then copy the simple interest and divide it. So 4,000 divided by 500 and we got the answer of 8. So it will take 8 years to take for the loan.
Here's another example. Rayleigh funds a savings account with 6,000 pesos. She receives interest totaling 1,500 pesos in 5 years and 3 months. What is the interest rate that this account offers this year? So this time, we are looking for the rate. So to find the value of rate, let us identify first the principal, which is 6,000 pesos. Then the interest, 1,500 pesos. Then the time is 5.25 for 5 years and 3 months. So to find the rate offered by this account, we're going to use the formula rate equals simple interest divided by principal times time. So we have rate equals 1,500 divided by 6,000 times 5.25. So 6,000 times 5.25 is equal to 31,500. And 1,500 divided by 31,500 is equal to 0.0476. Or if we will convert this into a percentage, you just have to move 2 times to the right and that's the sign that it will be 4.76%. So the rate that this account offers this year is 4.76%.
If you invested 500,000 pesos in the bank of an annual simple interest rate of 2%, how much money will you have after 3 years? We're looking for the future value. These are the given. P is equals to 500,000 pesos. R is equals to 2% or 0.02. T is equals to 3 years. So the formula for future value is P plus PRT, or it could be F is equals to P plus simple interest, because PRT is the formula for simple interest. We're going to use this formula, but they're just the same. So first, let's solve for the simple interest. Simple interest is equals to PRT. Distribute their values. Now we have here 500,000 times 0.02 times 3. The simple interest is 30,000 pesos. Finally, for the future value is equals to P plus simple interest. P is 500,000 plus simple interest we solved earlier is 30,000. We add them together and now the sum is 530,000. Therefore, the maturity value is 530,000. So we are the 11 ABMA. Thanks for watching!